Started early on when I was in school. When I first got introduced to genetics, that was amazing. And that combined with plants, because plants have to make decisions without being able to move. So a combination of that and genetics hooked me onto plant science from very early on. I'm a plant developmental biologist, and much more so my specialization is seed development. So over 70% of our agricultural commodity in the world is made up of seeds, whether it's cereals or oil seeds. So really, it's a really important part of what we eat. So in terms of food security, having good seed yield is really important. And what I'm trying to do is understand the mechanisms that underlie seed development, so we can be always sure that we have good seed yield, good quality of seed. And I do that by looking at both aspects of seed development, looking at seed size, seed number, quality, to ensure that our crops are always giving good seed yield. What I find amazing, which is particularly relevant in seed development, is when we are looking at any kind of characteristic that is important in a plant, that's a desirable one, or undesirable for that matter, what we find is the determination for that characteristic has always been programmed into the plant very early on. So it happens almost when the plant is an embryo within a seed. So if you want to make any change to a characteristic, you really need to go very early in development to alter that, so you can then have your plant displaying the sort of desirable trait that you want, which is extremely interesting to me.